Hey folks, Joe here, Florida Conceal Carry. I want to let you know about our class going on this Saturday. It's our Situational Awareness class. Let me explain to you up front what it does. Is first, it does qualify you for your Florida Concealed Weapons license. You will get the certificate so you can present that to the state to actually get your license and all that stuff. Some of the things that we're already going to go over real quick are, of course, firearm safety. We got to go over all that. Always do. The last thing we want you to do is accidentally or negligently hurt yourself or somebody else. We're going to go over we're going to call them fundamentals, but the real life fundamentals of shooting. There's one thing about going to the range and, punching out and hitting the bullseye. Simple. What happens in a real life situation when you don't have that perfect stance, you don't have that perfect grip, you don't have that sight picture and all that? This is what we're teaching you in this class. Then we do that in all of our classes, actually. Then we go into the laws. When we go into laws, we kind of split you up a little bit, and I'll go over the laws and we start going through situational stuff. If you have a situation you want to talk about, bring it up in the class. We have role players, we have all kinds of stuff going on with this, and it's going to open your eyes a lot, I'll put it to you that way, to what happens in the real world. Again, going to a gun range is great, you need to practice those fundamentals and all that, but when you step out into the real world, it's totally opposite. I mean, you got a split second to make a decision on what you're going to do and how you're going to do it, and this is going to help you with that. It's going to open up your eyes, make you think about what's going on. It is an awesome class, especially for the price. It's $89, so you're talking $20 more than our normal class. It lasts about an hour, 2 hours longer than our normal class, so it starts at 9 a.m. It's going to go on to 1, 2 o'clock. It's an awesome class. Look at the reviews people have taken it in the past. It's amazing. And again, it does qualify you for your concealed weapons license. If you already have it, sit through the class again. If you haven't sat through our class, I guarantee you're going to learn something that you didn't learn in the other classes. So give us a shot. Give us a call, 941-822-0707. You're going to talk to Bryant or Chris. Sign up for the class. Again, it's this Saturday. That's February 22nd at 9 a.m. at our Florida Conceal Carry location right off Porter Road in Sarasota. Just a couple minutes from Fruitville and 75, not even. So listen, give us a call. Check this thing out. It is awesome. We're trying to do these every month. Got to come in and check it out, man. Have a good one. I'll talk to you soon.